Nah, we're running. Yo, where's the killer? Where's the killer? Nah, what are you doing? What are you doing? That's actually good. That's actually good. Come on, run! Nah, run, run, run! What are you fool? What are you doing? That's not how you do. Bro, I'm a pro at this game, and bro, that's not how you even do it, fool. Nah, guy, yo, my man, go, bro. What are you even doing? You're just wasting all your stamina, okay? So just don't do it. What are you even doing? Did you shoot the killer? No, I did not, buddy. No, run away from those pizza working guys. Please, they're gonna burn you to death. Okay, he already won. Yes, he won. What's up, everybody? Today is my first video on my JackMMD channel 2.0. I got my other main channel called JackMMD channel, but still, this is where I'm gonna make some extra stuff and some part 2s and stuff. But we're gonna play Forsaken, my favorite game of all time. This game is really good. I've played this multiple times in my life. This is the best game ever. You should try it. Please try it. Just please. So this game is about surviving and getting away from the killer. If the killer gets you, the timer goes up. I don't know how much, but it just goes up, a lot. So let's see who's gonna be the killer. Hope it's me. Are you serious, bro? This guy's so good. This guy's super good. Okay. This character, because the body looks like a girl, this character does he does traps and stuff. So I bought him. It was pretty expensive, not like Robux, but just pretty expensive. I'm not into traps. I don't know where to do traps actually. I don't even know where to do a trap. Okay, oh, I should go in the house, in the haunted house thing. Then I got no stamina. Okay, where do I do it? I don't know where to do it actually. Yeah, I'm gonna actually do it here. Boom. And then, yup, he's close. I'm running. I'm already running. Oh man, he didn't step in it. We're going back to the house. Cause he broke the trap. Wanna know how? Oh wait, it's not broken? Huh? I'm so confused. I'm super confused. It's not broken? Okay. Then I'm gonna do another tripwire if he comes. I'm gonna go boom. And then in the front, I'm gonna put this right there. Please don't. Thank you. Thank God it didn't fall. Okay. Where should I put another trap? Okay, so I'm gonna go right here. I'm running for my life. I don't want to. Oh, don't go there. If I go there, that means I'm gonna die. It's like poison. It's like it lowers down your health. It makes your health go down. Yes, he went in it. Yes, it gives me more points and coins. It gives me coins and points. That kind of rhymes, right? Rhymes? I'm a rapper, I told you. Okay. Boom. Ow! What did I do? Yes! He stepped on me. Juke you. I'm dead. Bye bye. No! Why did I die? Why? Why? He's hiding. Oh, thank God! Thank God! The thing triggered this subspace. Okay. Oh man, he's dead. How much? He's the one left! You can do this! Bro, that was not it. Brother, what were you even doing? What were you even doing? That was not it, brother. Well, he died. He's dead. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, 1X, you're not even it. You're not it. You're not even it. Okay, buddy. You're not even it. Okay, buddy. You're not even it. Okay, so, I only got 300 coins. Okay, that's good. So let me show you, this flasher that I only have. This is 2 times he, kill, if you stab, you kill it 3 times, back or in front, I don't care. But what he does, he can revive if you put like if you do like I don't know what's called again. And Chance, he shoots. You know, that's the only thing he does. Yeah. It's not me, thank God, cause I'm very bad. We're gonna do a trap. Oh, whoa, I see him. Well, I'm running. I'm gonna put an animal. No, running fast. I don't wanna get killed. Yes! Yes, it's okay. Got it. Thank you so much. I should have killed her! Yes! It's your firework. It worked. Let's go. I'm gonna do another trap. Looks good. I'm a Mexican. Soy mexicano. I need a med kit because if I have low health, then I'm gonna die. I'm already done. I'm gonna die. Yes! Only needs that. And also What did I do? What did I do? Bro, that's just so unfair. Super unfair, bro. Not cool. Not cool, bro. That's not even cool. You're not cool. You're not even cool. You're the opposite of cool. You're a fool. Just run. Run. Run, buddy. Just run. Oh, he juked him. That's good. Nah. Yes. Come on. Save Guest. Save my boy Guest. Use it. Come on. Use it. Come on, yes. You got this. Yes, come on, yes. Use it. Yeah, they're gonna win. They won. Yeah, they won. Let's go. They won. Okay. So we won. So we made progress. I'm gonna be the next killer. I don't want to show you how I'm good at killer because I'm pretty bad at being killer. Like, I'm very bad. I miss every time. Okay, you don't want to see me be killer. So that's the end of the video. I hope you like it, because I'm not showing you how I am. Just kidding, I'm gonna show you. Just kidding. I'm gonna show my fans everything. I'm gonna show my friends. I show speed. I'm gonna show my friends, my fans, and my friends how I am. Here we go. Here we go. This is why I hate being killer. We're going after another one. This is why I hate being killer. I'm so bad. I'm only good at being survivor. I told you. I don't like being killer. I don't like being killer. That's what I told you. I told you guys I hate being killer. But you guys don't want to listen, bro. I hate you guys. Nah, I'm just kidding. That's why I hate being killer. Bro, kid happen? Yeah, bro. XD. Peel Clan. My uncle died. Here we go. It's okay. I can handle that. Don't worry. I got this. I'm gonna put. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! That was so good. That was actually so good. Yes! Let's go! I actually like this kind of music. This music is so good. Let's go, finally. That's so good. Wow. My goodness. The masterpiece. Oh! Oh my god! Run, run. Oh my god. Scare me. Thank God. That was so crazy though. Yo guys, that was just so crazy. No, no. Here we go. Let's go! I was just so locked in. Let's go! Let's go! Bro, that was just unbelievable, bro. I kept, oh my, bro, that was just so satisfying. Sorry, I mean Survivor. Bro, I don't know why I said killer. But yeah, we're gonna play one more game and that's it. I'm not that good. Okay, we won. Well, it was fun playing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it, and peace.